The water pump questions and answers. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا منال ريان وأنت بتتفرج على قناة فكرة. لأول مرة تتابعنا يا ريت لايك والاشتراك في القناة وتفعيل زر الجرس. الجزء الثاني المتعلق بالأسئلة على القصة. لو أنت متفرجتش على الجزء الأول موجود تحت في صندوق الوصف أسفل الفيديو. يفضل إن أنت تجاوب على الأسئلة أورال شفوي وبعد كده تدون ملاحظاتك بالورقة والقلم. يلا بينا. Put a circle about the right answer. This story is about a man, a woman, a girl. This story is about a man. Good job. This story is about a water pump, a tractor, a field. This story is about a water pump. Good job. The water pump makes the best coffee, milk, tea. The water pump makes the best tea. You are so smart. Good job. This story happens at the city, museum, village. This story happens at the village. Good job. Choose. Abdul-Azim is a kind teacher, farmer, doctor. Abdul-Azim is a kind farmer. Excellent. He has a tractor, a car, a van. He has a tractor. Great job. He cares for his field, house, health. He cares for his field. Excellent. He lives in a city, village, cave. He lives in a village. Good job. You are so smart. He has a big space pump. He has a big cola pump, a big water pump, a big milk pump. He has a big water pump. Great job. It makes the best tea or coffee or mint. It makes the best tea. Excellent. You are so smart. You are genius. Supply the missing letters. Number 1, kind. The missing letter is N. Good job. Farmer. The missing letter is R. Excellent. Village. J. The missing letter is G. Good job. Field. D. The missing letter is D. Excellent. Children. Cha. The missing letter is C. Excellent. Water pump. The missing letter is U. You are so smart. Tractor. The missing letter is O. Good job. Fix. The missing letter is X. Good job. Neighbor. The missing letter is H. Good job. You have to remember that the GH at the middle is silent, okay? Number 2, travel. This missing letter is V. Heart. The missing letter is R. Good job. Plumber. The missing letter is B. You have to remember that P is silent. Any B after M must be silent. Complete. The main character is Abdul Azim. The title of the story is the water pump. Abdul Azim is a kind farmer. The people of the village send their children to get water. Children. Good job. Number 5. He asked the plumber to fix the water pump. Plumber. A clean heart gives a clean water. Good job. A clean heart gives a clean water. Number 5. Put true or false. Number 1. Abdul Azim is a bad man. Oh, Abdul Azim is a bad man? False. Abdul Azim is a good man. Number 2. Abdul Azim has a tractor. True. Abdul Azim has a tractor. Number 3. Abdul Azim is a helpful man. Abdul Azim is a helpful man. True. He's a helpful man. Yes, he's a helpful. He helps the village. Number 5. The plumber doesn't fix the water pump. True or false? False. The plumber fixes the water pump. Number 5. The water pump makes the best coffee. True or false? The water pump makes the best tea. So this question is false. Number 6. Abdul Azim lives in a village. True. Abdul Azim lives in a village. Rearrange these actions. The plumber fixes the water pump. Abdul Azim travels. The water pump breaks. We're gonna arrange. Number 1 is Abdul Azim travels. Number 2, the water pump breaks. Number 3, the plumber fixes the water pump. Good job, you are so smart. What is the title of this story? The title is The Water Pump. Excellent. Number 2, who's the main character of this story? The main character is Abdul Azim. Yes, Abdul Azim is the main character. What do you learn from this story? I learn sharing things with others. When I have something, I give it to others to use it. Sharing things with others. 2. Who's Abdul Azim? Abdul Azim is a kind farmer. Is Abdul Azim a teacher? No, he isn't. He isn't a teacher. He is a farmer. Is Abdul Azim a good man? Yes, he is. He's a good man. He's a kind farmer. Good. Yes, he is. Number 3. Do you like Abdul Azim? Yes, I do. I like him because he's a kind man and he's sharing his things with others. So I like him. Is this a story about a tractor? No, it isn't. It's not about a tractor. It's about the water pump. Number 5. Does Abdul Azim live in a city? No, he doesn't live in a city. He lives in a village. Does Abdul Azim have a big water pump? Yes, he does. He has a big water pump. Retell the story in 6 sentences. Number 1. Abdul Azim is a kind farmer. Number 2. He has a big water pump. Number 3. It makes the best tea. Number 4. He allows everyone to use it. Number 5. It breaks. Number 6. He and the plumber fix it. وصلنا لنهاية حلقتنا. لو الفيديو عجبك لايك والاشتراك في القناة وتفعيل زر الجرس. القصة القادمة إن شاء الله The Lion and the Noisy Rat. هسيبكم مع الطالب أحمد حسين مؤمن. Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
I am Ahmed Muhammad Hussein Mu'min.
How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
We're gonna talk about the water pump story, okay? Choose. This story is about a man or a woman or a girl. This story is about.
A man.
This story is about a man. Good job. This story is about a water pump, a tractor, a field. This story is about.
قوليها تاني.
This story is about a water pump, a tractor, a field. This story happens at the city, museum, village.
Village.
This story happens at the village. Amma Abdulazim is a kind farmer, teacher, doctor. Amma Abdulazim is a kind
Farmer.
He has a tractor, a car, a van. He has a.
Tractor.
He lives in a village, a city, a cave.
Village.
He lives in a village. He has a big cola pump or water pump or milk pump.
Water pump.
It makes the best tea or coffee or mint.
Tea.
It makes the best tea. Character is.
أما عبد العظيم.
The title of the story is.
الستوري بتتكلم على ايه؟ Water pump.
The water pump. Amma Abdulazim is a.
Trained farmer.
The people of the village send their.
In the year.
Children to get water. A clean heart gives a clean.
Clean.
A clean heart gives a clean.
Water pump.
Water. A clean heart gives a clean water. But true or false? Amma Abdulazim is a bad man. True or false?
True.
Amma Abdulazim is a bad man? False. Amma Abdulazim has a tractor. True or false?
True.
Amma Abdulazim is a helpful man. True or false?
True.
The water pump makes the best coffee. True or false?
False.
Amma Abdulazim lives in a village. True or false?
True.